Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the jobs that I have posted recently. So let's jump into it one after another and let's see what kind of jobs I have posted. So the first job opening or the latest job opening is 8819. Encora company is hiring for principal data engineer, if I'm not wrong, logistics or commercial. The job is in India location. You can apply to this job using this link. So let me open this link. So I have opened this link, and if you notice, the link has been redirected us to the company career portal, which means every job that I'm posting, I have pulled those jobs from the company career website so that we won't get any spam information. Right, guys? So let's see these jobs. Principal D, logistics or commercial. It's a data engineer lead position. And these are the skills that they're looking at, and these are something preferred. This will keep you out of the competition. And yeah, these are the details you need to enter, and you need to attach your resume or cover later if applicable. And then you can click on submit application. Right? Yeah. So the next job opening is 8818. Rubric companies hiring for cloud engineer position at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8817. MongoDB company is hiring for senior software engineer. Search AI at Palo Alto location in US. You can apply to this job using this link. MongoDB company is hiring for lead technical services role at Gurugram location. You can apply to this job using this link. Next job opening 8815. ZF Group company is hiring for finance executive at Coimbatore location, Tamil Nadu. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8814. Nutanix company is hiring for financial analyst role at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8813. Rupee company is hiring for senior manager, associate director, category plus lending partnerships. You can apply to this job using this link. This job is in Bangalore location. Next job opening 8812. Walmart Global Tech Company is hiring for staff software engineer role at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. So guys, I have been posting job for every 5 minutes in the LinkedIn. So I recommend you to take a look at my profile, Prakash K. I would be sharing the link in the description. You can follow my profile so that you'll get regular job updates, guys. So next job opening 8810. Again, ZDev Group companies hiring for manager finance and controlling at Pune location. You can apply to this job using this link. Next job opening 8808. Takian Corp companies hiring for senior product engagement specialist role at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Next job opening 8807. Aviva companies hiring for senior engineering manager artificial intelligence or machine learning platform in two locations. You can apply to this job using this link. Let me open the link. So I just wanted to confirm what are those two locations. One is in Bangalore and another one is Hyderabad. So you can apply these jobs. And next, job opening 8805. Misho companies hiring for manager role at Bangalore location. You can apply with this link. So guys, in this way you can scroll and you will get more jobs information. So I recommend you to take a look, take advantage of the efforts that we are putting to collect the jobs, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information. Thank you and have a great day.